case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Thomas Lowell Linden, Jr. filed a products liability lawsuit against CNH America, LLC, after being injured while operating a bulldozer manufactured by CNH. He claimed that the bulldozer's seatbelt, which was manufactured more than 10 years ago, was defective and caused his injuries. However, the case focused on whether the product had a manufacturing or design defect. The district court dismissed Linden's manufacturing defect claim, and the jury returned a verdict in favor of CNH on the remaining claims. Linden appealed, alleging errors in the jury instructions and jury selection, but the court affirmed the jury's verdict and rejected Linden's claims of error. The court upheld the district court's dismissal of Linden's manufacturing defect claims, supported the sophisticated user doctrine, and endorsed various instructions, ultimately affirming CNH's verdict. The court affirmed the jury's verdict and rejected Linden's claims of error.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.